Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In today's quick guide, I will show you how to upload an unlisted video to YouTube using your phone. Perfect if you want to share a video privately without making it public. So start by opening the YouTube app on your Android or iPhone. So make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. At the bottom, tap the plus icon in the center. Then tap Add. And choose the video from your gallery that you want to upload. For now, I'll just go with this one. You can even select multiple videos, but for now, I'll just go with this one and tap Next. Okay, so here you can trim your videos as much as you like, but for now, I'll just continue with this one and tap Done. So it may take time to process the entire video. And tap Next.
On the Facebook.
So here you can enter your video title and a short description, and now this is important. Tap Public to enter the visibility section. Then here select Unlisted. This means only people with the link can watch the video, but it won't show up publicly on your channel. Now go back and go through the audience settings, like whether it's made for kids. So for now I'll just tap on this one and again go back and then tap Upload Short. As you can see, my video is getting uploaded, and tap on See Video. Your unlisted video is now live and ready to be shared with just those who you choose. And that's how easy it is to upload an unlisted video on YouTube using your phone. If this video helped, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and ring that bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.